Let's clean cook. This is the biggest bluegill. Oh my. Oh, do I got it? Yes, I got it.
Another little baby one.
For real. Dad, I got one.
You got one?
For real. Look at this monster. We're gonna throw him back. Oh, it's talking. It says. Bye-bye, fishy. This one's too small. Let's throw it back. Oh, I got one. It's a big one. It's a giant.
Flip him up here.
Oh my, yes! It's too heavy.
Oh, don't fall off. Look at that one.
That's the biggest one. Is that a keeper?
Yeah.
We got 3 perch and 4 catfish, and we're gonna clean them. So let's do it.